Spice up your cooking, an introduction to herbs and spices. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're stepping into the vibrant world of herbs and spices. Our focus will be on understanding the preparation techniques for herbs and spices in cooking. This knowledge will not only add a new dimension to your culinary skills but will also help you greatly in understanding and using English cooking vocabulary. Before we get into their preparation, it's essential to understand what herbs and spices actually are. Herbs are usually the green, leafy parts of plants, while spices come from the non-leafy parts, including roots, bark, berries, seeds, and so on. They are crucial in cooking as they add flavor, aroma, and color to the dishes. There are numerous herbs and spices used around the world, but some are more common than others. Common herbs include basil, rosemary, thyme, and cilantro. On the other hand, examples of common spices are cinnamon, turmeric, cumin, and pepper. Preparing herbs for cooking often involves 3 steps. 1. Cleaning. It's essential to wash fresh herbs under cold water to remove any dirt or grit. 2. Drying. After washing, pat them dry with a clean towel. Excess water can dilute flavors. 3. Chopping. Finally, most herbs need to be chopped before use. This process releases the flavors, making your dish more delicious. Remember, the method of preparation can vary slightly depending on the specific herb. Preparing spices can be a little more complex. Here are the steps. 1. Roasting. Many spices benefit from dry roasting before use. It enhances their flavor. 2. Grinding. After roasting, spices are usually ground. This could be to a fine powder or a coarse grind, depending on the dish. 3. Storing. Spices should be stored in a cool, dry place. Proper storage helps maintain their flavor longer. Just like with herbs, the preparation can vary with the type of spice. Well, there you have it, an introduction to the fascinating world of herbs and spices. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding not only the English terminology around these flavorful ingredients but also their preparation techniques. So, the next time you're in the kitchen or reading a recipe in English, remember to spice up your cooking with this newfound knowledge. Happy learning and cooking!